Hi everyone, this is Rose from BitPOS and sa video na ito ipapakita ko po yung aming automated power controller with LED display countdown po. So this setup is very suitable for businesses na merong time countdown. Example like karaoke or di kaya mga billiard halls po. Very convenient and secure po siya. So what is the advantage of having this kind of setup sa mga business na ganito? Number one is it provides security po. So, of course, as a business owner, we wanted to know na secure yung business natin kahit hindi tayo physically nandoon, and yan po yung pinoprovide ng setup na to. Reason is that all the devices pwede po nating isaksak dito sa ating LED display na usually ginagamit ng ating mga customer. It could be from lights, television, aircons, kahit ano, pwede natin siyang i-connect po dito. The logic is very simple in this setup po. Pag gagamitin ng ating customer, kailangan nilang bayadan. Kasi automatically, pag merong customer, meron tayong time countdown here kung ilang minutes, and the moment na nag-zero po siya, naka-off po yung ating device or automatically mag-off po siya. Another advantage on this one is that this provides also a self-service option na automated na, so we don't need to expend another dime na naman po or another pasweldo sa mga tao natin. Why? Because meron na din siyang extend button, which is this one, na pag gustong mag-extend yung customer natin, they just press this button po, automatically nagdadagdag naman siya ng additional time. Okay? So for you to know more of the setup po, let's dive in my setup. So first thing po is I have here my LED countdown display. I also have here my extend button and my power controller. Nasa likod ko naman po yung aking TV device and it's off right now. Hindi po siya naka-power on. And I have here my MOT application po. So first thing po is magdadagdag ako ng time for this one. So I have a time countdown worth 180 pesos. Tap OK/back. Automatically po, nadagdag ko na dito sa app. And here, meron siyang countdown. And if you're going to look at my TV, ayan, mag-on yung ating TV for this one. So, if you can see po, madali lang siyang intindihin. May countdown pa din tayong nangyayari here at the back. And if I wanna extend, I'll just press this button. Press. And then, yung setup ko is mag-add siya ng 10 minutes. And you can actually see, nag-iba yung kulay natin because the pink one is for less than 10 minutes. And pag nag-add tayo, ayan, we have here my hour, my minute, and then my second po. And here naman sa aking Android app, of course, papakita ko lang, nandito siya. Yung quantity ng time countdown ko is naging 2, a total of 360 pesos. Now, imagine natin if i-remove ko to, or ika-cancel ko to, or ite-tender natin siya. There are a lot of scenarios. So let's say I'll be removing this one. Automatically, namatay yung TV ko because the countdown is 0. Ayan, ganun siya ka-automated po. So, if you want to know more of how this setup works po, you may book an online demo and message us today.